selected for the H1B lottery in the fiscal year 2023 and are desperately waiting to know if there will be another chance, if there will be a second H1B lottery. If this is your scenario, then definitely you must watch this video till the end, because we are going to discuss the statistics and the facts and figures and find out, will there be a second H1B lottery this year? What are the chances? What are the probabilities? And what should be your next course of action? So make sure you watch the video till the end. Hello, Namaste, welcome to my channel. I am Pragnya Mishra, your visa and immigration guide. If you're interested in any topics related to visas, immigration, working abroad, studying abroad, in short, if you're interested in going global, then this is your one-stop destination as we discuss all sorts of topics related to going global. First and foremost, let us just know that why is there ever a need for a second H1B lottery? So yes, USCIS every year has 85,000 of H1B quota which they have to fulfill, and last year it happened that they were not able to fulfill this quota. It means when they made their first selection, initially they had made a selection of around 87,500 H1Bs for fulfilling the quota of 85,000, but again due to rejections or due to improper filings, or even many employers failed to file the H1B petition for their employees, and all those reasons combined, they were not able to achieve their targeted 85,000 H1Bs. So what happened next? They came up with a second H1B lottery. So from all those who were initially not selected in the H1B lottery, from the reserve pool, they figured out another 16,000 some odd H1Bs and went for another round. So in this round, now again the employers were given a chance to file, and again the second lottery came into place. But unfortunately, the USCIS was also not able to achieve this target of 85,000 in the second lottery also, and hence they went for a third lottery, after which they reached their quota. So is this the scenario going to happen again this time? Let us have some facts and figures and analyze the same. This year, the USCIS received a record-breaking number of H1B registrations. Yes, they received more than 4,85,000 registrations for their quota of 85,000. So you can imagine the level of competition and the level of scrutiny it goes into the selection process. Anyways, for the first round of selection, they made sure that they had sufficient number of H1B selections so that they will be able to fulfill their quota of 85,000. So USCIS selected over 1.27 lakhs of H1B registrations for their H1B process. Now you must be wondering, why did they select so many applications just for 85,000? Yes, because many things happen on the road. Employers fail to file, many people are not eligible, and hence there is the rejection of petitions. There are also the problem of duplication. USCIS has noticed that many duplicate petitions are being filed for the same employee on behalf of the same employer. Let's say you are employee X and working for an employer Y. So employer Y is filing multiple petitions for the employee X. So in that case, USCIS has made sure to invalidate all the duplicate petitions that has been filed for this employee X. So yes, if you have filed multiple petitions, then it's time that your petitions are being invalidated and that your petition is kind of rejected. So now we are talking about, will there be a second lottery? So now you can see for 85,000 quota, they are having 1,27,000 applications they are receiving. So you can see that this time the USCIS has made sure that they are having sufficient number of extra H1Bs in hand. So of course they are going for tight scrutiny, and they have made it sure that they are going to achieve their 85,000 quota right in the first go. And of course, from various sources, it's also come to know that many people whose status was just showing selected or pending or any such thing are now starting to convert into rejected. So if your status was showing pending or selected or something like that, then now if your status has changed to rejected, it means the USCIS has electronically started to distribute the rejections to the applicants who couldn't make it through the H1B selection process. And this is a sign that maybe this year there is not going to be a second H1B lottery. Now that we know there are very minimal chances of a second H1B lottery this time, it's time you move ahead and plan for the further course of action. So obviously, instead of wasting a lot of more time on contemplating whether there will be a second H1B lottery or not, it's time you prepare for the upcoming year. Right from the end of December, it's time to buck up. It's time to start approaching your employer that you're interested for the H1B and start lining up the whole process along with your employer. So when the registration starts from late February or the 1st of March, you make sure that you go again into the lottery process. So the entire process is starting right from December, I can say, when you start initiating or when you start talking with your employer that you are interested in going for H1B lottery this year, and start making arrangements for the same, so that on 1st of March, when the registrations are opened, your employer registers for you and you are there in the lottery. So this is one option that you have. The second option that I will suggest is definitely you can start looking for opportunities or job for CAP exempt categories. Yes, if you're wondering what a CAP exempt category is, then I have made a detailed video on that. I will put it in the description box below. You can go and have a look on that. So this H1B lottery that we actually talk about, this is for CAP people. That is, they are based on quota and you have to go in the lottery system to come into that. But what happens in the CAP exempt category? An employer who is qualified to bring H1B employees under the CAP exempt category can file for H1B visas any time around the year. It means you do not have to go through the entire lottery process. It means it's open for any time around the year. The only struggle behind this is that you have to land a job with an employer who is qualifying to issue H1B visas or to bring employees on H1B visa in the CAP exempt category. So you can check out my video, and there are some tips and trips and many ideas which you can get about how to get a job in the CAP exempt category. And the third option that we can talk about is, why not have a backup plan? If you're thinking very seriously about US and US is your only destination, then definitely the first two options are for you. But if you're thinking that you just want to be out of your home country, you just want to have a global exposure, then you can also think of various other countries, let's say Canada, Europe, which are emerging with lots of opportunities these days. And if you want to know more about that, I have also attached the links to the various videos that I have made on Canada, Europe, and many such high potential tech visas that the other countries have issued in order to bring around employees, talented employees from all across the globe to their country. And I can say that this is pertaining to any sector, let it be IT, finance, legal. A lot of potential is there in many other countries also. So definitely option 3 may also work out for you. And all you have to do is to check out a few more videos where I have put the details. And if you want to know, or if you want to get details about any specific country, then do not forget to mention in the comment section below, and I will ensure to make a video on that. We will be coming up with another interesting topic. Make sure you mention in the comment section below what more you want to know, which are the visa details you want to know, and I will make another video on that. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.